Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, I am sharing my plan for the week using the Fly Lady system. And today's Sunday, so this is starting tomorrow, February 17th. This is my planner that I'm using. I've shared in a previous video, why I'm using this one. It says 2020, but we are in 2025. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see here. So I've got here my 2-page spread. I've used these templates from the Happy Planner to draw out some of these designs in here. And I keep this little note card for 2025 and what each month is. So February is Dive In. And so for tomorrow, the 17th, I am off work, so I have quite a bit more of things that I want to do. So for me, my zone 4, I'm going to be in zone 4. It's the master bath, the master bedroom, and the closet. And we have 2 closets in our bedroom, his and hers. So I will be focusing on mine. And if you're not familiar with the Fly Lady system, you separate your home into different zones or areas, and you do that each week. You may have a list, like I have a list of what my tasks are, and I don't put all my tasks in that week, just what I think that I want to get to. Maybe if I have extra time, then I can go ahead and put more. If I don't have enough time, I can go ahead and cross it out. For example, last week I didn't get to everything, but that's okay. It just keeps me maybe on focus and on task, and I really enjoy this system because it's not so house cleaning and decluttering and organizing is not overwhelming. You just set a timer for 15 minutes. You can do more, you can do less. Just don't let it stress you out. I have more for this week because I'm going to be off on Monday and most likely Wednesday too. And I am registered in a course, so I will be watching videos as well as listening to some audio. So that will make the time go by. Sometimes if I wasn't in the course, I'd probably be listening to audiobooks or watching videos, YouTube videos for some people that I subscribe to. So I don't always get to comment, but I do watch videos. So if you wanted to, how I was introduced to the Fly Lady system was through Donna Maria. And I have this little journal that I keep arts and channels and things like that I want to do. So, and we'll link these in the description box, but her channel is Just Donna Maria. And she introduced me through a share to Diane in Denmark, who then I found out, from both of them about the Fly Lady system. So I will have this all in the description box if you wanted to check out more, but thank you, Donna Maria, for this, introducing me to this system. I love it. So let's get back to the planning. So for tomorrow, my focus is going to be the master bathroom. So I have here pupa, which means pick up, put away. Then I also want to do under the sink. So the cabinet under my sink, we have double sinks, his and hers. So under my sink, I am going to clear out the cabinet and organize, declutter, throw out what I don't need. I haven't done that yet through this zone cleaning through the Fly Lady system, so I'm actually looking forward to doing that, finally getting around to this. So I have that for tomorrow. I also have here countertop and sink. I usually do this pretty much every day, but for tomorrow, since it's a more detailed cleaning that I'll be doing because of the zone, I have a spray bottle that's filled with Dawn dishwashing soap and white vinegar. So I will spray that around the faucets and the drain so that I'll let that sit. So if there's we have a lot of hard water here build up, that can be easily removed. But what has been helping is through the Fly Lady system is actually drying the sink and the faucet every day, so I don't have that buildup like I used to. And then I have here our mirror, so I'll be cleaning off the mirror. And then the toilet room. So in our master bathroom, we have a door that leads into where the toilet is. And I have in there also a towel rack. That one doesn't have glass. And a small little cabinet where I keep like cleaning supplies. So part of this toilet room is deep cleaning the toilet, maybe organizing the towels if they got moved around, and cleaning out and decluttering that little cabinet, which I haven't done at all as part of the zone cleaning. So again, I got more time tomorrow and I will be doing that. And then wiping down the tub. So in our master bathroom, we have a tub as well as a separate shower. We don't use this tub, so I am just going to be taking a damp rag and then kind of like dusting off that area there. Then I also have this little sticker here. I think it's like a little credit card or bill. So I have a credit card bill that's due tomorrow. So I either will be paying that off today or tomorrow, but I just have that as a little reminder. And then the master bedroom is scheduled for Tuesday. So I'm going to be decluttering the nightstand. And so for me, that is either getting rid of books or magazines that I've gone through, maybe putting on the nightstand some books or magazines that I might want to read throughout the week. I have cleaning off the dresser, emptying trash. So Wednesday is trash day. So on Tuesday, I'll be emptying the trash. And then I also have here, pick some recipes, because I'll be doing some shopping on Wednesday. So these stickers are again from the Happy Planner. And so I thought I would add this sticker here. So I've already added almond butter. I like as a snack dates and almond butter. So I have dates. I'll slit them down the middle, take out the pit, and put a little bit of almond butter in there. So good. I also have cashews. And then I have here G-Bombs. If you're familiar, or maybe if you're not familiar with Dr. Fuhrman, pardon me, and his nutritarian lifestyle, what he uses this G-Bombs to stand for greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. So normally what I'll do is I'll go to the produce section of the supermarket and I'll see what I'm missing. So for example, I know I want to get some greens. For beans, I have plenty of beans, both dried and in cans. I like chickpeas in my salad. I have onions. I don't have mushrooms, so I will be purchasing some mushrooms. And then berries, I have frozen berries, and I also have a container of fresh blueberries. And then seeds, I have flax seeds and hemp seeds and chia seeds, so I don't need to buy any seeds. But according to his nutritarian plan, you should be having this pretty much every day. And so with my picking out some of the recipes, I have some Forks Over Knives magazine. So I'll probably look at that, maybe pick a couple of recipes, and then just add here anything that I might be missing. I do want to get some apples. I like the Granny Smith apples with almond butter as well. So I know I'll be adding apples here. And then for Wednesday, I have here my weekly home blessing. So this again is part of the Fly Lady system, where you spend an hour doing certain tasks, and that you can break down into 15 minutes. So for example, the bed sheets, I already did the bed sheets today, Sunday. I normally do wait till Wednesday to do that, but since I had extra time today, I just went ahead and did it. So I went ahead and marked that off, so that actually saves me a little bit of time on Wednesday. Then I'm going to be doing some dusting, and so the dusting is just the general area, not anything detailed, just where, if company came over, where would they be looking, and then just dusting. Now, I don't have the dusting yet. I don't know if I'll get to it for this week for the master bedroom. Maybe when I declutter, I might just do a dusting as well. But for the weekly home blessing, this is just a general light dusting. And then laundry. So I probably will have one load of laundry to do on Wednesday, because I did over the weekend, yesterday, Saturday, a couple of loads, so I don't have that much to do for Wednesday. So I have here my little sticker of the little broom and then my grocery run. And then for Thursday, I have here my closet day. I don't know if you can see this. I bought these gel pens at Michael's the other day, but they look, some of them look darker, but they come out, I guess, a little bit light on this light paper. So this is like a fluorescent orange. But what I have is for my closet is arranging the shoes, organizing the clothes, and dusting the shelves. So there are some shelves in one section. So I'm going to be taking everything out off the shelves and then just dusting them. So that's what I have planned for Thursday. And then Friday, I have declutter. I have purse, car, and tote bag. I have a tutorial on how I made an origami tote bag. And then I just put my other purse in there. And so for this, I'm just going to go through, see if there's any miscellaneous papers or receipts that need to be taken out, anything that might be that I need to take and put back. So for example, I have my glass water bottle that I take to work, and then I usually take that home then on Friday to give it a deep cleaning. And for the car too, I know I have a couple of umbrellas in there, some, I think like a jacket or whatnot. So I'll go ahead and go through the car and see what needs to be tossed out, put back, and things like that. So that's what that declutter for the purse, car, and tote bag are. And then Saturday here, I have my plants. So watering the plants, I have some Christmas cacti that are actually blooming for Easter. So I have got buds on those. They also make flowers and buds during the summer, and then between November and December, they are budding and blooming. So I don't really know. They're not, I don't know. Maybe they're all year round cactus rather than just Christmas cacti. But I will be watering the plants then. And then Sunday, I just have here the sticker, Love to Be at Home. So these are stickers from the Happy Planner along with these templates. So this again is my plan. And again, I will put in the description box if you wanted to check out the channels for Just Donna Maria, Diana in Denmark, and the Fly Lady. And if you have any questions, let me know. But I do love this system. It has helped me so much in not getting stressed out and doing a cleaning just on one day and getting overwhelmed. I like the fact that you break it down and get to what you can, and you leave for the following time that you're in that zone something else. So if you have any questions, let me know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have an awesome Sunday and a wonderful week. I will see you in the next one. Bye.